Hello, good evening. Cash Logistic Process and Tools. Presented by José Estrada, teacher, and Sebastián Delgadillo López. Identify the nature of the cargo in. Let me see qual LTG is a company with force, young, and medium voltage metallurgical coal to Brazil through ports of Barranquilla and Buenaventura Movis volume from uh, 25,000 to 30,000 metric tons. The company has 12 minis carnival in the area de Valderrama in Boyacá. The productivity is 200 metric tons. The Port Barranquilla often extracts 1,000 tons per day with logistic management designed to 30 months and bunkers with a capacity of 35 tons. Identity in the Incoterms using the company and clientele. According to the negotiation in Barranquilla, the company delivers the cargo inside the chain. The power company of Barranquilla, this is on some operating cost and loading only. If CI ferry carrier, the seller's responsibility to deliver the merchandise to the carrier contracted in the buyer. The delivery must be made its point agreed with both. If of B, friend of bar. The seller's delivery responsibility and when a products go over the side of the site with the freight payment. And passes the merchandise of customs for port. The cargo distributed in Buenaventura negotiation with the buyer consists of the delivery 3,500 tons at the port of destination in Core LTD, assuming the cost of the unloading and taxes. The carrier by two. The responsibility of the seller is to pay the freight of the transport of merchandise to the destination agreed with the buyer, including expenses and import permits. 18. Delivery at terminal. Delivering the goods and the agreed on at the dock of the port of the destination country identify and describe to the documents used the PA the site which the most why commercial invoice document containing the information of the exporter and the importer, packing list, it's the content of the weight, volume, measurements. Bill of the lading document used only for maritime transport. A white bill document that is used for air transportation. Consignment note document used only of the ground transportation by road or rail. Multimodal transport operator document used only for the modal transport that is to say that a DPA structure they require to sit of two or more mains or transport more cargo. Insurance policy document that merchandise can be insured with national and international insurance. Certificate of origin document that certifies the origin of raw materials, products, and marketed obtained benefits established in the trade agreement. Exporter license prior permission required by the export current foreign trade process depending of the region and the modality of current operation. Commercial invoice is one of the most important shipping documents. It is legal document seller exporter the buyer during the international transaction and proof of sale between buyer and seller. Unlike the bill of lading, the commercial invoice does not ownership of the merchandise has been charged. It is an essential document and required during customs clearance to determine taxes. This fine. Commercial invoice details the price, value, and quantity of the goods sold and details of the terms of the sale agreed between the buyer and seller should payment terms, the cost of insurance, and cost of shipping. The commercial invoice might also be required for payment, for example, when payment in must be later on. 4. Basis of the ADA Mod 1, Module 1, line in the containers files used in the process. In the FA process, that the packing of products that is subject to an international trade transaction must be applied to since these elements depend on the fact that the handling products is not deteriorated. Company with quality standards the different markets is essential that the company prepares and adapts their role demand for which is taken in type of package characteristics of the car, type of car and battery car, the type of shipment, I, type of brand that the merchandise carry standard of handling, use of sign, loading unit, parameterization of categorization, elements that the reduce risk of demand of the cargo and that the company in the packing process products subject to physical distribution must have checking and the protection the cargo for facilities transfer of capacity, page, value of the cloud adapting to the demands of packing is the design physical merchandising will the institute both in the national and the international markets, where the packing is market timing, protecting, proper handling cargo. The packing classified into primary packing, packing for wine, secondary packing, and finally primary packing in distribution of a product. Tertiary packing, packing where the goods are grouped to facilitate handling on the loading path. Packing it is charged of the protecting merchandise the pack. International trade operation should try the merchandise not suffer any type of damage. Packing packing in the international physical distribution stick reduce product loss, product distribution cost, avoid returns, increase the efficiency of product storage process, easy of international distribution, identification of the characteristics of the product, reduce negative impacts on environment. Thank you very much.